Hello and welcome to Townwide Open House this beautiful Sunday in Ligonier, Pennsylvania. I'm here with the man himself, George Washington.
Greetings, hello.
He's giving me a little tour of the diamond here, telling me where some of the old camps used to be.
Yes, Colonel Bouquet's camp, I believe, was right over there.
Oh,
Everything
there it
looks
is.
quite different now. Oh, there's a lot more people. Well, actually, it looks almost like the army's back here again.
Oh yes, quite a few people in town today. There's a lot of exciting activity.
A lot more structures.
Yes, many more structures.
Yes.
Do you like the decorations, George?
Yes, it seemed a lot of pine, perhaps for 12th night, the celebration.
Oh yes.
Those holidays, of course.
Well, we have a lot of activities going on in town today. You can stop
really?
by.
Truly?
Yeah, stop by our town hall here and fill out a letter to Santa and stick it in our mailbox. And if you leave your return address, sometimes,
Santa.
yes, Santa, Saint Nicholas himself, he actually might be popping around town. And if you leave your return address on your letter to him, he might write you back. He's very, very kind like that.
Where is he from?
North, very north.
Is he a fur trader?
No, he deals with reindeer.
So he's a fur trader. He's a
More
deer.
like riding them around. He likes to give out presents, gifts for the children.
Yes, continue, please.
We also have the Festival of Lights going on today at the town hall, and you can walk down and see those. The gingerbread house contest is happening at the Ramada. The candlelit tours at Compass Inn are going on, and I believe you can stop by the Old Fort today and talk to George.
You can head to the old fort. Yeah.
The Old Fort, yes.
I'll be doing repairs, so I will be working.
Yes, of course. But you can stop by there, and it is free admission to the museum today. Well, George, thanks for giving me a tour here.
Oh, no, thank you.
for stopping up.
These are wonderful horses.
Beautiful horses.
Very much so.
So pop up and see us at Town Hall. Thanks, guys.